special. A ribbon is something rare. So I'll be special and I'll be rare with a smile and a ribbon in my hair. To be a girl, they notice, takes more than a fancy dress. So I'll be noticed because I'll dress with a smile and a ribbon in my tresses. The bigger my toothy grin is, the smaller my troubles grow. The louder I say I'm happy, the more I believe it's so. So I'll have that extra something, 'cause I'll know what to wear. So I'll be special and I'll be rare. I'll be something beyond compare. I'll be noticed because